Hi, in front of me is VIVO V23 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Firstly, open settings and scroll all the way down to access About Phone section at the bottom. Then click on this little pen next to your current device name. And finally, type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. When you're done, you need to tap on OK in device name pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!